Welcome to Technology Trends. Today we are diving into the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, a foldable that could change the game. Let's get into it. First of the design, rumors suggest a sleeker, more ergonomic body with refined curves and beveled edges, inspired by rivals like the Magic V5. The inner display might also be slightly larger with a more rectangular aspect ratio, giving a better widescreen experience compared to Fold 7. That means a device that feels more comfortable, less slippery, and more practical in hand. Now the big one, the craze, Samsung could introduce a laser-drilled metal display plate to dramatically reduce that fold line. If this works, the Fold 8 may deliver the closest thing yet it is seamless and foldable screen, finally putting an end to one of the biggest complaints about foldables. Imagine a foldable that looks completely flat, no distracting craze at all. Under the hood, expect the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy paired with up to 16GB RAM and even 1TB storage, and battery life could see a much needed bump to around 5000 mAh, fixing one of the Fold 7's weak points. On durability, Samsung may shift from a titanium black plate to carbon fiber reinforced plastic that could make it lighter and more affordable, though maybe less premium than before. And cameras, the Fold 7 already had a 200-megapixel main shooter, but rumors point to upgrade on the ultra-wide or telephoto lenses. Fans also hope for an under-display camera return. S Pen Sport, an anti-reflective glass to make the big screen shine. So to recap, possible bigger rectangular display, craze-free design, Snapdragon Elite power, 5000 mAh battery, lighter build, and upgraded cameras release, most likely mid to late 2026. Which feature excites you most, a flat fold, bigger battery, or S Pen compact? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.